Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen, starting out in the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the euro yen, I still am a big believer that we're still in a wave three. I still think this is a 1, 2, 3. Now we could possibly be getting close to ending this wave three, but I still think that this is going to pop up, at least make a double top before we make the big correction for the wave four, and then another push up for the wave five. And this wave four is going to last around the same time as this wave two, which is at least 6 months. So most likely it's going to be a pretty big dramatic correction if that is the case. Going down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, like I've been saying for weeks now, I mean, there's a possibility this is an A, this is a B, and it goes down and makes a wave C. It definitely does look like that is possible, especially looking at this one. But I am a big believer because of correlated pairs that this is not the case, and that this is maybe like a 3, 4, 5 of wave three on the higher time frames. And once this wave three is over, maybe we'll go down and start that big correction for the bigger wave four, like I was explaining on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame, I actually think this is not a wave A and this is not a wave B, even though I'm trying to keep in mind that it possibly could stretch out into that and go down and make a wave C. I actually think that this is an uptrend. I think this move down is a crescent to that trend, and I still think this is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows. I personally am definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I kind of think that we may already have the end of the cuts and possibly like a wave four. I think this is possible move up as a wave one. I think we're probably in a wave two right now. I would be looking for a Fibonacci bounce after 3 waves down to go long on shorter time frames for the continuation of the uptrend, probably the beginning of a wave three. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I do still think this is 5 waves down, wave A. I think it's very clear this made 3 waves up, wave B. I think we are very likely in a wave C now, so if it does respect this and turn back up, I would go long. But probably more likely it's going to go down to at least a 50%. And then if we get a big bounce there, like a big bullish engulfing candle, that would definitely turn me back into a buyer for the continuation of the uptrend. Like I said, I think this is more likely a one. This is a wave two, and we're eventually going to go up for that wave three. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.